So I've got this noisy air conditioner here.
Does your AC unit rattle like this?
Rattles right here. So made these little feet.
Check out these little plastic feet.
You just put them in and it'll stop this rattle. Solve the problem. So let's put these in, and they're pretty easy to put in. Just pick up a little bit here and slide this right underneath. Look at that. No freaking rattle. Put them on the other feet here. Over here to the other side. Here as well. That's it. Little cushion feet. Easy, easy. Don't need to spend $150 on a new fan shroud. Just get you some feet. Problem solved.
Get yours today at QuietFanGuard.com.